Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode we are going to be changing over our front wheel bushings to front wheel bearings. So this is the kit that we got. Got it on I think Amazon for, I don't know, it was $1 more than just new bushings. So I think it was 17, 18 bucks, something like that. So in this kit comes 4 new wheel bearings. Looks like 4 new rubber caps. Set of washers and some new E-clips. Oh, actually instructions too. Alright, first we're going to start by popping off our old rubber caps here. And these don't want to come off, so we're just going to cut them since we got new ones. And then the E-clip in here, just pop that off. Alright, so then we just have some washers, we'll pull off those, and the wheels should just slide right off. Alright, now that we have our front wheels off, we're just going to use a flat punch and slide down till we hit the bottom one, and just start tapping it out. Work side to side. And if we flip it over, it just dries it right out. And that's what we're taking out. So we have this side. Go back and do the bottom one. And that one's out. So then what we'll do is we'll just grab a box of rags and clean out the grease here. And that should get most of it out. Ooh, asparagus is on sale, 99 cents. Just gonna take some brake clean and kind of just clean up the surface here. Alright, that's clean enough. Then we're going to take our first bearing and set it in there. Now, what you want to do when you pound these in, you don't want to pound on that inner race because you'll just destroy the bearing. So it's best to use like a socket. In this case, we're using a 1 1/8 that fits on the outer race there. So then when we pound it in, we're actually pounding in on the outer race, not the inner race. So we'll just set that on top of this one, keeping it relatively square. until it seats flush, which we are. Now we can flip it over. Do the other side. Alright, that one's good. Now we'll do the other one real quick. Alright, then using brake clean again, we're just going to clean off the spindle here. Get some of that grease out. And you can see these spindles are in really good shape. Here's still some of the original paint, and they're not worn down terribly. So then what we're going to do is take the two smaller washers in the kit, and those go on first. Slide those all the way in. And our wheel with the tire stem in. Alright, then our large washer goes on. Well, looks like in this case, 2 washers in the back is too much. Pop the wheel back off. Take one washer out. Large washer. And then our E-clip. And our new rubber boot slides on. Alright, now that our boot is on, we're going to re-grease the hubs here. Because we clean these all out, they're probably going to take quite a bit. That should be good on that one side. And we'll just do the other. Alright, so that's it for changing out your wheel bushings and wheel bearings on your garden tractor. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.